Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize endpoint security with Symantec, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize endpoint security with Symantec, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Symantec endpoint protection installed. Visit the official Symantec website to download the latest software if needed. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the Symantec Endpoint Protection Client. Sign in with your administrator credentials to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which provides an overview of your endpoints. Navigate to the interface settings to customize alerts and notifications according to your preferences. Go to the Policies section to review existing security policies for your organization. Adjust your policies by clicking on Edit to set specific rules for antivirus, firewall, and device control. Create a new policy if necessary, ensuring it aligns with your organization's security needs. Schedule regular scans by accessing the scan settings and selecting the frequency that works for your environment. Next, enable real-time protection to ensure continuous monitoring of your endpoints. Check that threat intelligence features are activated for proactive threat detection. Set up automatic updates to keep your antivirus definitions current. Review the incident reports in the logs section to assess any security breaches or alerts. Analyze these reports to identify patterns or recurring threats that may require additional attention. Consider integrating other security solutions with Symantec for enhanced coverage. Finally, train your staff on best security practices to complement your technological defenses. Regularly revisit and adjust security policies to meet evolving threats and changing business needs. With these steps, you will effectively optimize endpoint security using Symantec. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.